Alright, I'm going to be going over some P&F charts. Gold right now, short term, is something I'm looking at. Um, so what we have here is gold market. The initial P&F targets from here were around 1258.2 or 1264 off of this base. Okay, then what happened is you basically had another base develop up to this point, and it just kept on going. So what this means is that when you have a target, it doesn't mean that it's going to stop there. It doesn't mean it's going to reach there. It doesn't mean anything. Targets are just guesstimates, but they're educated guesstimates based on principles of cause and effect. Alright, so you had reaccumulation, then more reaccumulation across this line. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And at this point, what you see here is that you have a consolidation area. You have some type of rally, and finally that rally, the low was taken out. That's really important. Alright, the low right here has been taken out. The 1294, around 1294 has been taken out, and market is at 1291 now, which means that it's poised for a pullback. Now this is a very strong trending market, but it's in a lot of trouble. Not trouble, but it's at least set up for possible downside move. So what we need to do is identify where the potential areas of support and what are the potential areas that it can go to. So we know that the potential support is the first line of support was right here, right before the rally, and this is the ice. Okay, that ice area has been broken. So the 1294 was ice area has been broken, and it tried to reclaim, but it failed. That's really important. So the next area, what you want to do is, first of all, you're going to look at the bar chart for untested levels, because if this is a counter trend, it'll just stop right at the untested levels, and a whole bunch of buyers will just come in and pick it up. It's a very strong trending market, so you have to watch out for untested levels. And if you're counter trending is, it just doesn't pay off. So where are the lines of support? The lines of support that we have is, there's line of support here. This is the 1276 area. So you say 1276, 1274, 74 to 76. There's a support area there. So it when price goes down, you want to take a look at untested breakout levels. So we see everything's been tested here. It goes rally, reaction, rally, reaction, rally, reaction, rally, reaction, rally, reaction, test, reaction, boom, 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 boom. The support area is here for 74 and 76. That does not mean you buy support. It just means you watch how it reacts there. So when this low is taken out, it can be even more bearish. And the untested level is actually here, over around this area, like actually right here. So basically I'm looking for price to get into 1174 or slightly lower, and you also want to keep in mind that this was the prior trend high. So there should be some type of support around this area, 74, 72, 76, around this area. And that's where I'm going to get out of the short, around that area. So now the other thing you want to do is take a look at the count. The count I'm not using all this the entire extreme, but I think that this base right in the middle from here is pretty good. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. For some reason I have 14, which is probably because I missed a box. So now you can count down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So it's saying around 1270. Yeah, it was pretty fair because you have this prior rally top. So it's saying around 1270 from the top, from the line itself. But from the top, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. You have around 1280. Alright, so 80 and then 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So 1272 to 1280 level, which is about right. So that's the projection. Now why am I not including this? Many times I don't think sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but when I see very clear distribution I do. So there's a lot of art to this. Some folks will take the entire count, but I tend not to do that. So that's where the gold market, I'm looking for it, and we'll see. That doesn't mean it's gonna go there and stop or anything like that. It just gives you an idea so you can bring some consistency to your trading. That's all it is bringing consistency to your trading so you're not confused about where targets should go. The principle of cause and effect means that the markup is relative to the accumulation. More accumulation, more markup, and more distribution, more markdown. Next is the euro. It's a runaway market also. Don't even try to predict. There may have been a base here somewhere, and now it's just going. So you don't try to predict. I really don't know where it's going, but I do notice that this last rally had increasing volume. After this rally began, you have volume here that was taken out, and now you have volume here on this rally, and it might form a base over here. I'm not saying it is or isn't. It's just we'll see what happens. There's absolutely no reason to short this. You gotta be nuts to short it. Have to wait. Next is the Japanese yen. This market's gone nuts. This was a base that was formed on it, and then just Bank of Japan, blah blah blah. It just went crazy. There's no reason to short this market either. Again, the base supports are right here. This is a line of support. That's a line of support. It doesn't mean you buy there. You have to see how it reacts there. Next is the notes. This is actually really interesting because very interesting. You have a base here, you have a rally here, and you have hinges, meaning a support level that was created. See, this support level was created, tag 1, tag twice, tag 3 times, rally, pull back, boom. So there's potential here. Now I've included up to here, but some may just stop back here. I don't want to get too greedy with the targets because this market has serious selling pressure, and we see that it went up, resistance, resistance, resistance. So the resistance is coming in at whatever this number is, and that makes a lot of sense. Why? Because there was distribution and a breakdown, and this looks like a test of that breakdown. Again, your PNF targets are absolutely useless when it comes to counter trending and testing of untested breakouts. This is an untested breakdown, and this target is, I mean, you could put it there and have ideas, but the market hits resistance or support or untested levels, you know, counter trending to retest breakouts and breakdowns, PNF targets go out the door. Next is the oh, this is nice. This is oil. Oil went to the target, formed a base. So I'm going to do a count here. In fact, I might look for a short too. Damn it, I'm too late. Son of a gun. You see that you have cause here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Sometimes you include the box. You can do that. Up to you. So the line itself shows 11. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This looks really good. So on a short-term basis, oil to around 48.30 to 48.45. So around 48.45. I think this has ability to go to 48.45 based on this cause. It's not a lot of cause, you know. But what we do see here is this is the high volume rally. See that? And that's been broken. So this has been broken. You see that it went to the target. Then you have selling followed by more selling. So you have a base, you have rallies, and you have a hinge. Resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and breakdown on not heavy volume but decent volume. And the key is they took out this level, these high volume levels. You know, they take out the ice. It was taken out here. So this is a good market, and probably target around 40. Now it may come back down here. There's a very strong support right here at 42.70s, but you know, everything's projecting a bounce at around here. So we'll see it go there. Now, does that mean you just put on a short position? No, you have to have a trigger. I don't have a trigger. I'm not going to trade it. If I had a trigger, I would trade it. You know, really that simple. Next is so I've gone over the YM, crude, notes, yen, euro, and gold. So I think that's enough. Thank you. Bye.